Is the new Facebook Shops a Shopify killer? And is it now the best e-commerce platform in 2020? That's coming up in this video. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a phenomenal week. If we don't know each other, my name's Kerry, and on this channel, we bring you the best strategies, secrets, and hacks to grow your online business. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a comparison between the brand new Facebook Shops and Shopify. In the e-commerce world, we all know that Shopify has been king for a very long time, but recently a lot of e-commerce sellers have been curious if the new Facebook Shops is better, if it could replace Shopify, what are the benefits of it? So we're gonna break that down today. To kick it off, if you haven't heard about Facebook Shops, Mark Zuckerberg recently announced it in a Facebook Live, and it is a full-fledged e-commerce platform on Facebook. Now, the way that Mark Zuckerberg positioned it is it's really a tool to help business owners, local business owners or small business owners get their products online easily. And he kind of positioned it as, to help during COVID-19. They wanted to launch this to help business owners get their products online because they couldn't be open during COVID-19. Now, it was a little bit late. A lot of states were starting to reopen as Mark Zuckerberg was announcing this, but nonetheless, I still think it's a great tool for local businesses to get their products online. Now, the question becomes, if you're using Shopify or WooCommerce or BigCommerce or any e-commerce platform, is it worth switching to Facebook Shops altogether? Should you forego your $29.99 a month or your monthly fee to actually get on Facebook Shops? And I'm going to attempt to answer that in this video. The first question to answer is, which is cheaper? Now, on Facebook Shops, there's no monthly fee. It's 100% free to have your store on Facebook. Over on Shopify, it's going to cost you $29.99 per month to have the Shopify basic plan and actually have a store. Now, so let's talk about transaction fees. On Facebook Shops, you're going to pay 5% transaction fee on all orders over $8. Over on Shopify, you're going to pay 2.9% transaction fee plus 30 cents for every transaction. So what does that mean? Let's assume you're selling t-shirts, just a common product, and your average order value is about $25. On Shopify, what you're going to pay is about $1.03 for that order in credit card transaction fees. Now, over on Facebook, you're actually going to pay about $1.25 at the 5% transaction fee mark. Now, what that means is, considering the $29.99 per month, if you're selling more than 136 orders per month at $25, it's going to be worth it for you to stick with Shopify. You're actually going to save more money with Shopify, even considering the $29.99 per month. The other exception here is if you have a pretty high average order value above $25, if you're selling $40, $50 per order, it's definitely going to benefit you to get over on Shopify because you're just going to pay that 30 cents for each transaction. The percentage doesn't go up. Over on Facebook, you're going to pay 5% no matter what. So I think Shopify wins in round one. Question number 2, which has better conversion? Now, in my opinion, this is not even close. If you're using Facebook ads, you're going to get a much higher conversion rate on Facebook Shops. The reason being is your customer's not going to have to click out of Facebook or Instagram. They're literally going to see an ad, click on that ad, go over to your Facebook shop, search around for a product, and buy. It's a really seamless process. So if you ask me, Facebook Shops is going to be much better for conversion. We know that the average Shopify store has about 1.52% conversion, and I expect that to be a lot higher on Facebook Shops, simply for the reason that you're running ads and they don't have to leave the platform to buy your products. On the other hand, Shopify has a lot of conversion features built in, and obviously they have a Shopify App Store where you can do things like countdowns and countdown timers, stock countdowns, social proof. I mean, there's so many different things you can do on Shopify to increase your conversion. Obviously, there's funnel apps and just different things like that. But I think overall, if you're running Facebook ads heavily, if this is making up the majority of your business, Facebook Shops is going to be a really good option and should boost conversion, get you more data, and make your ads perform at a cheaper cost. So I definitely recommend using Facebook Shops if you're running a high level of Facebook ads. Round 3, which platform has better customization? Again, it's not really close. This one goes to Shopify. Obviously on Shopify, you can do unlimited amounts of customization and you can even edit the code or have custom themes, but you're going to be able to control the fonts, the colors, the placement of things, add additional apps via the Shopify App Store. Like I said, custom themes. I mean, the list goes on and on. You can pretty much customize anything on Shopify that you want. On Facebook, you're going to be pretty limited. It's going to kind of look like Facebook. Now, Facebook is touting the ability to have a branded experience. So they are going to let you do some customization, upload your logos, maybe change some colors. But overall, it's not going to compare to the customization that you can do on Shopify. So this one definitely goes to Shopify. So to wrap this up, which is the best e-commerce platform in 2020? And without a doubt, if you have to choose one, and you don't have to choose one, but if you did, it's Shopify for sure. But Shopify just has way too many features, print on demand, drop shipping. You're not going to have those options on Facebook to integrate with things like Oberlo or, print on demand providers. So that option alone really gives it to Shopify. But in addition, you're not going to own your data or your store on Facebook, but you own everything on Shopify. It's your business. If Facebook decides to change the algorithm or shut down or change everything altogether, you could lose everything you have. And that's kind of always been the issue with Facebook, is being 100% dependent on Facebook is a bad option. You always want to own your business and own your assets, and you can do that on Shopify. So the solution is here, don't pick one. You want to have both. You can have a Facebook shop and integrate the checkout with your Shopify store, and you can get the benefits of both. You can send people directly to your Shopify store, or you can run ads to your Facebook shop and then send them out to check out on your Shopify store. So you should definitely have both, and there's not really any reason not to, because Facebook Shops is 100% free. If you're a local seller, you sell, low ticket items, or you're just trying to figure out how to get your products online and you have a local store, maybe check out Facebook Shops. I think it's a good option for you to do it easily. In my opinion, you'd have a lot more success going and getting a e-commerce course, a marketing course, and actually learning a little bit about how to sell online. Because creating a simple Shopify store and maybe integrating that with Facebook Shops and running some Facebook ads is going to be a way better option than just putting your items on a Facebook shop and hoping people find it and come to buy it. That's just not going to happen. So my recommendation is, if you're an online e-commerce seller, you need both, and you should definitely go dive into Facebook Shops, get it set up, and start using it, especially with your Facebook ads. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I have something really cool I want to tell you about. If you've always wanted to start your very own profitable online t-shirt or apparel business, we have a completely free 5-day Launch Your Brand Challenge starting on Monday, June 15th. Now I'm going to be going live inside of a private Facebook group every day for 5 days starting June 15th, and I'm going to be teaching you the Shirt School system directly from our high ticket course to help you start and launch your t-shirt or apparel business. It's 100% free. We're also going to be giving away some incredible prizes like 3 lifetime memberships to the Shirt School course. We're going to give away an Apple Watch 5, some Apple AirPods, an Amazon Echo, a $100 Amazon gift card, a year membership to Adobe Photoshop. It's going to be crazy. All you have to do to sign up is go to shirtschool.com/challenge. Put in a little bit of information, and we're going to give you all the details from there. And again, it's starting on Monday, June 15th. See you next week.